Tired of budgeting apps that make you feel broke and guilty? Here's the one rule that actually works. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% wealth. The concept takes seconds to understand. The impact can last a lifetime. Welcome to the Money Shift Financial Friday. This is where money gets simpler, clearer, and actually doable. 50% of your take-home pay goes to needs, the non-negotiables. Rent, groceries, lights, phone, minimum debt payments. If you can't live without it, it belongs here. 30% is for wants, and yes, you're allowed to have a life. Eating out, streaming, vacations, new shoes. Just keep it under 30% and you can spend with zero guilt. 20% goes straight to your future. Emergency fund, investing, extra debt payments. This tiny habit is why some people retire rich, and others don't. Say you take home $3,000 a month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, about $600 would go toward your long-term financial goals. Over many years, consistently setting money aside like this can grow significantly, and giving your money more time generally allows that growth to compound even more. If your needs are already over 50%, welcome to the club. Just lower your wants for now. Every dollar you free up moves you closer to wealth. Progress is better than perfection. Zero-based budgeting requires tracking every dollar. Envelope budgeting demands constant hands-on effort. The 50-30-20 rule simplifies everything. Needs, wants, savings. Simple enough to start, flexible enough to stick with, sustainable for real life. If you're serious about building wealth, hit that subscribe button right now. Every Friday, we break down one money rule, habit, or strategy you can use immediately. No spreadsheets, no guilt, no overwhelm. Turn on the bell. Your future self will thank you. Like this video if you're starting the 50-30-20 rule this month. Spend smarter, save consistently, build real wealth without complicating your life. See you next Financial Friday.